Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here to share my kits that I have planned for February 2026. Crazy, we're on February already. All right, so I didn't pull any of my usual stuff, so we're gonna do dates from memory, and we're gonna hope for the best. So there's 4 weeks predominantly in February, not surprising since there are exactly 4 weeks in February. The first of those weeks starts on the 2nd, so that makes it the February 2nd through the 8th. And for this week, I am going to be using this kit from B&R Paper Crafts called Pink Traveling. I will be traveling for a little bit of the week, so I just wanted to do something that was kind of themed along with that. This will not be what my travels look like by any means. Definitely this is a much bougier kind of experience, but I am excited to use it in my kit. This is a deluxe kit on matte vinyl. So I have here full boxes. This is the bottom washi and date covers, some glittery boxes. I really love these color choices. I think they're really interesting. I like to use a lot of pink and red in February because of Valentine's Day, so it's nice to kind of use that in here. This one is a functional page, full box checklist, 4 more full boxes and some functional things. And then I have glitter headers and more functionals, and then date headers and washi strips. So it will be nice to use this kit. Usually I get 2 weeks out of this style of kit, but I'm gonna split around and use just the parts of it that I want to use for sure for this week. For the second week, which is the 9th through the 15th, I'm going to be using this kit also from B&R Paper Crafts. This one is the second time I'm using this kit. It's called Pink Flowers, and you'll see this kind of trend of, one, I'm using things that say pink, as I mentioned, but also this is using a lot of B&R Paper Crafts kits. I'm trying to use up some of the things that have just been sitting in my stash for a while. This is the second time using this kit. It is another deluxe kit on matte vinyl. So I have 4 full boxes here. I have like a half deco box and some little strips here. 3 more full boxes and some icons, functional stuff, boxes, glittery boxes, more functional stuff, and then 2 more full boxes and 1 set of glitter headers. So all together I have these 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9 full boxes in this version of the deluxe kit. There are so many full boxes that I really have plenty to do 2 full weeks with it. So that's the second week. The third week of February, which is the week of the 16th through the 22nd, I'm using another kit from B&R Paper Crafts, another one that has pink in the title. This one's called Pink Babe. This is like an anytime kind of kit, but with the pink theme, I thought it would be a good time to use this. So another deluxe kit on matte vinyl. This is the full boxes page. It's kind of like a mixture of some beauty things, flowers, these big cats, stuff like that. So full boxes, bottom washi and date covers, glittery boxes, functional things, full box checklists, 4 more full boxes and functional things, glittery headers and some functionals, and then word headers, washi strips, so on. So this is the same format as the first one that I am using here as well. And then the last week, which is the week of February 23rd through March 1st, I'm gonna actually be using this sticker book from Recollections. It's called Pretty Watercolor. Recollections is a Michaels brand. This exact one is no longer available. But I have used it before, and it has these super beautiful butterflies and moths, and then a bunch of kind of like watercolor vibe, some with gold foiling that we get throughout here. I do think that I'm gonna probably pull in perhaps some like quotes, stickers, or things like that potentially to help with this. I'm not exactly sure everything that I'm gonna pull, but I am very excited to kind of see what this ends up looking like. There are definitely plenty of boxes left that are full box sized or close to full box size, so I think this will be pretty functional to make a spread out of. And I just wanted to mix it up a little bit and use something a little different than I had up until this point. So that's kind of where we're at. These are the 4 kits that I am going to be using in February 2026, and I'm very excited for all 4 of them. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Leave me any pink emoji down below if you don't have anything that you want to leave. Otherwise, let me know what you have planned for your kits for February or what you're excited to see me use, all that good stuff. And then follow me on Instagram and Blue Sky at Creative Life of Liz. You'll see in progress and finished spreads, as well as bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.